Hello and welcome back to this shit show of a channel where today I'm going to show you how to turn yourself into a scene queen slash My Little Pony by showing you how I dyed this wig, because this is a wig because my real hair is about this long because I shaved it off in October for reasons unrelated to my last video. I did ruin my hair by bleaching the black box dye out of it. I've done it before and I will probably do it again because I do not learn. But it was unrelated to that. My hair wasn't that fucked up. It was a bit fucked up, but it was okay overall. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna show you how to dye this wig. I use the jawbreaker method, and the person I saw doing this first was aka Ainsley, and I'm gonna hopefully remember to link her channel in the description box. She didn't originally come up with it. I do not currently remember the person who came up with it. Obviously I will put it here and link their Instagram as well, because I love this method and I think it looks amazing. And I haven't really seen anyone do this starting with the green around their face, and I personally don't like how purple looks with my skin tone, or how some reds or pinks look with my skin tone. And my original plan for this wig was to just dye it all this lime green colour because I wanted to try out the watercolour method, and I'm actually very lazy despite what you're about to watch because it was a shit ton of work. But yeah, I started with green and I'm so fucking happy I did because it's so pretty. Okay, let's go. It's this way, right? This way? This way? Enjoy the video. Model shots. Ooh, ah. Hi. I'm gonna dye this wig rainbow. I got this wig off of AliExpress. It's my second ever human hair wig because I don't have like a billion mixing bowls. I'm gonna do one colour at a time. I'm gonna try to go from like light to dark-ish. It's 3:30 in the morning and I just finished applying all the colour, which it's starting out with green and it goes all the way around and in the back. I'm gonna let this sit for a few hours, clean up all of this mess. I'll get back to you once I've washed this out and show you the end result. This is the finished result. I'll get you a back shot in a second and put it right here, and I'll also throw up a little clip of what it looked like straight. This is the finished wig. I haven't glued it down right now or anything because I just wanted to show you. It's also this like half up half down ponytail situation, which I also think is pretty cute. Obviously it would look better if I had my makeup done or my wig glued down, or both of those, but I'm honestly just gonna go back to bed after this. So this is the finished result. It's been a couple of days. The curls aren't great. Please don't, just let me live. I know I'm not good at hair. I can do like a decent job at dyeing it if it's not on my own head. I think it looks cute. It's super cute. Also, let me just sit down before I start talking. Also, this lime green, right, is like proper neon in real life, and the camera isn't picking it up because it was really cheap. But yeah, the green is actually like super neon, especially in daylight. And so is the, I don't know where you can see any, so is the teal that's in there somewhere. There you go. It's a lot lighter in real life. The rest of the colours I think are pretty accurate. I'm really sorry for this like super shitty, not great angle outro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I will be back with more videos very, very soon that are not just about hair, because the last one I did was also about hair, and I have like at least another one planned that's about hair. Or you know, maybe you actually do care about hair and you like watching these, even though I'm not a professional and I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, and I've been frying the shit out of my hair and giving myself chemical burns for the past 10 years because I don't go to hairstylists. Anything else? Probably not. Thanks for watching. I know it's annoying, but you know, like this video, give me a comment. I need to stop doing this, or finger gunning, or being annoying in general. I'll fucking see you later. Bye!